What's up, Scorpion, HyperScorpion riders? I think we can all agree on one thing. Sure, it's fun zipping around over 20 miles an hour on the bike trails, but these shocks are the lowest price, lowest quality pieces of junk available for any bike, especially one that's got a 20-pound battery right here and our weight and tires and all that other stuff on here. So everybody wants to replace these, but we're having a hard time finding the proper one. So I need to enlist your help. And here's what we are looking for. First off, this is called a dual crown fork. They're basically used for downhill mountain bikers. Dual crown means you got these double poles coming up here next to your headset. A single crown is what you've probably got on your regular mountain bike or your beach cruiser, where you just got forks that are from here and here down and nothing up above. Motorcycles, we call these triple trees. It's essential that we get another dual crown setup because that allows us to relocate our headlight, turn signals, and horn. The next and most important thing, and this is an industry standard, it's called the axle to crown measurement. This is how all good forks are measured. So when you're looking online to help me, the measurement that we are looking for is from right here at the bottom of the headset, from here to the axle. My stock HyperScorpion measures 455 millimeters. Anything with that length or longer is what we're looking for. Easy math for Americans, 25 millimeters is an inch. So if you want something that's an inch or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 longer, we just got to do the math and add that to the 455, which is from the axle, the center of the axle to the bottom of the crown. The other problem that I'm having finding, locating proper fork replacements is the mounting system. Our wheel bolts onto the dropouts. We do not have a through axle assembly. Our custom HyperScorpion or Scorpion wheels will not convert to a through axle. It's too bad. Through axles are much superior, much better. They're basically bomb-proof. That's what the industry has gone to, except for the cheap son of a bitches like Tora and China. That's the problem, is finding dropouts that bolt, 32 millimeters for the upper stanchions, dual crown, and a 455 or longer from the axle to the top of the crown. The next critical measurement is our distance between here and here, which is called the axle. Because we got fat tires, we've got 135 millimeters axle measurement. A lot of the forks that I'm finding online that would work or come close to working are only 110. That's for like a regular mountain bike. 4-inch fat bikes, 135 from there to there. Most important. Now, these here tubes that go all the way up and into the lower fork assembly are called stanchions, S-T-A-N-S-I-O-N-S. These measure 32 millimeters. Now this might be another option for us. In theory, I haven't tested it, but it looks like if we can find a fork with the proper measurement from the top up here down to here, that's got a 32 millimeter stanchion, I'm thinking that we should be able to loosen the bolts that are on the back side here, on the back side of the top up here, and simply drop the whole stanchions out without even messing with the headset bearings or the steer tube. Our steer tube, from the best measurements I can get, are 1 1/8 inches. Now, what's important in our replacement shocks is we don't want to get another piece of crap like these. We want air adjustability. We want rebound adjustability. What's not as important to us, that is important to downhill bikers, is the travel. Anything we can get in there is going to be adequate. All right, man. I really appreciate y'all's help. And when I find something, I'm going to change these out. All right, man. That's it. See ya.